Hey there, little learners. Today we're going to explore your educational kit and see all the fun tools inside. Let's dive in. First up, we have crayons. These colorful sticks are for drawing and coloring. And here are your pencils. They're great for writing and drawing. Look, it's a notebook. This is where you can write down your thoughts, draw pictures, and practice your letters. Next, we have scissors. These are special safety scissors just for you. Perfect for cutting paper for your crafts. Here's a ruler. It helps you draw straight lines and measure things. How long is your pencil? Look, it's a sharpener. Whenever your pencil gets dull, just twist it in the sharpener and it's ready to write again. Next, we have an eraser. This little friend helps you erase any mistakes you make. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. And here's a pen. It's perfect for writing neatly on your paper. Once you write with a pen, the words stay there forever. This is your pencil box. It's where you keep all your pencils, pens, crayons, and other supplies safe and sound. And don't forget your Tiffin box. It keeps your yummy lunch safe until it's time to eat. What snacks do you have today? Here's your water bottle. It keeps your water nice and cool, so you can stay hydrated and ready to learn all day long. Wow! Your educational kit is packed with so many cool tools. Now you're ready to learn and have fun. If you enjoyed exploring with us, make sure to click subscribe so we can learn more together.